High above the sky, on a big, white, fluffy cloud, lived a tiny drop of water named Dropley. She was small, but her heart was as big as the ocean.
Hi, I'm Dropley. Ever since I was just a teeny tiny drop, I've dreamed of seeing the world down below. The mountains, the trees, the sea, everything. But the other drops here, they're scared to fall. They always say, "You'll fall, you'll vanish, you'll never come back."
But Dropley was different. She wanted to discover the truth herself.
What's happening? The cloud is shaking. Oh, wow, I'm falling.
Dropley dropped from the sky, laughing and spinning like a tiny star falling out of a dream.
Whoa, I landed on a leaf. I guess I survived the fall. The world looks so beautiful from here.
But then the sun rose and the heat began to grow.
Oh no, I feel lighter. What's happening to me?
That's called evaporation. Water turns into vapor and rises back to the sky.
So I'm flying? Yay! I'm home again. But this time, I understand.
Dropley joined new drops, and together they formed a glowing, colorful cloud.
Every time we fall and rise again, we don't disappear, we transform. Every drop has its journey, its own story.
And that's how Dropley learned that life is just like the water cycle. We fall, we travel, we return. And each time, we grow a little wiser.
I'm Dropley. Today I fall, tomorrow I rise, but I'll always be part of life.
Every drop has its purpose. And you too, no matter how small you are, you have a big role in this world.